When you start learning English, it's easy to feel lost. There are thousands of words, endless grammar rules, and so many lessons online that it's hard to know where to begin. But here's the truth. The fastest way to learn English is to go slow. You don't need to study everything at once. You just need one clear focus, one theme. A theme means a single topic you can explore from different angles. Think of it like a weekly project. If your theme this week is food, you read short stories about food, listen to people talking about food, write a few sentences like I eat rice or my mom cooks chicken. Every day, you meet the same words again and again, and that repetition builds real memory. Your brain starts to connect words faster because it's not jumping between random subjects. Next week, your theme could be the home. You'll learn words like bed, sofa, window, and kitchen. You can say, I open the window, or I clean the kitchen. These are simple sentences, but they're real. They belong to your life. Focusing on one theme keeps you calm, confident, and consistent. You understand more, you remember better, and you stop feeling tired. It's like building a house one room at a time. By the end of 10 weeks, you'll have 10 rooms full of useful English. So, don't rush. Don't chase everything at once. Choose one theme. Live inside it for 7 days, and let your English grow naturally one focused week at a time. Most people try to learn English with logic memorizing lists, repeating grammar patterns, and filling notebooks with rules. But your brain doesn't remember words because they are logical. It remembers them because they are emotional. Emotion is the secret engine of memory. When you feel something joy, sadness, surprise, pride, your brain wakes up, pays attention, and keeps the information longer. Think about the last time you laughed at a joke in English. You probably still remember the sentence, even if it's been weeks. Why? Because you felt something happiness. Or maybe you watched a short story about a mother and her child and felt warmth in your heart. That story stays with you because it touched an emotion. This is how children learn their first language, not with grammar books, but with feelings. They laugh, cry, and play while hearing words that become part of their lives. You can do the same. Watch short English videos or movie scenes that make you feel. Don't worry about understanding every word. Watch the faces, listen to the tone, and let your emotions guide you. Music is another powerful teacher. When you listen to songs in English, you connect words to rhythm, sound, and emotion. Maybe one lyric feels special to you, hold on to it. That feeling is a bridge between your heart and the language. Reading simple stories also helps. Even a one-page story can make you curious, calm, or inspired. When you feel emotion, your memory becomes stronger without extra effort. Finally, express your own emotions in English. Say or write things like, I feel tired today. She is happy. Or, he looks sad. These sentences are short, but they are yours. They are real. You're not just learning English. You're living it. So next time you study, don't just use your eyes and ears. Use your feelings. Learn English not only with your mind, but with your heart. Because emotion isn't a distraction, it's your best teacher. One of the biggest mistakes beginners make is believing they need long study hours to improve their English. They imagine sitting for 2 or 3 hours with a book, repeating exercises until they feel exhausted. But learning doesn't work that way. Real progress comes from small, consistent moments, 1 minute here, 5 minutes there, repeated every day. Think of learning English like drinking water. You don't drink all your water for the week in 1 day. You take small sips all the time. That's how your brain likes to learn, in small, natural moments connected to your real life. Here's what that looks like. In the morning, as you wake up and stretch, say one English sentence, I feel sleepy. The water is cold. It's a beautiful morning. That's your first English moment. Later, while walking to work or school, look at the sky and think, the sun is shining. It's cloudy today. There are many cars. That's your second. During lunch, look at your food and name it in English. I like rice. The soup is hot. Another moment. Before you sleep, take 2 minutes to think about your day in English. I worked today. I talked to my friend. I watched a movie. That's your final moment. Each of these moments feels tiny, but together they create powerful habits. In 1 day, You might have 4 or 5 English moments just 10 minutes total, yet your brain stays active all day. The key is not time, it's frequency. When English appears many times in your normal life, it becomes part of you. You don't need a desk or textbook to learn. You just need to notice English around you and use it in real situations. These micro moments train your mind to think in English naturally, without stress or pressure. So stop waiting for the perfect time to study. The perfect time is right now in this small, simple moment. You don't need to travel abroad or buy expensive courses to learn English. The best classroom is already around you, your home, your street, your kitchen, your world. Every object, every sound, every daily action can become an English lesson if you know how to look at it. Start with your home. Walk into your kitchen. Open the fridge. Stop for a second and ask yourself, what is this called in English? Maybe you see milk, rice, or eggs. If you don't know the word, check it once on your phone or a picture dictionary. Just one word, not 10. One word today and one word tomorrow will quietly build your vocabulary over time. The same rule applies outside. When you walk down your street, look around. You might see a tree, a car, a bus, or a dog. Say the words in English out loud if possible, or silently in your mind. Each time you name something, it becomes part of your world in English. You are not memorizing. You are living the language. This kind of learning is powerful because it connects English to your senses, what you see, hear, touch, and feel. It's no longer something trapped in a book. It becomes real, personal, and memorable. You're teaching your brain that English isn't a school subject. It's a tool for describing your life. Here's the trick. Keep it simple and consistent. Don't rush to label everything at once. Choose one room, one place, one small area each day. Today, the kitchen. Tomorrow, your street. Next, your office or classroom. Every environment has its own words, and step by step, you'll build a complete map of English vocabulary that truly belongs to you. Learning this way keeps you curious. Every object becomes a question, every word a discovery. When you learn from your environment, English stops being homework. It becomes your habit. The most powerful secret in learning English is not speed, it's consistency. You don't need to learn fast. You just need to keep going. Step by step, day by day, your small actions create big results. Most people fail not because they're lazy, but because they quit too soon. They expect progress to be fast and visible, but real learning is quiet and invisible until one day it suddenly shows. Think of learning English like growing a plant. You water it every day, even when nothing seems to change. The roots are growing underground, silently. Then one morning, a green leaf appears. That's your first breakthrough. The same thing happens with English. You watch videos, write small sentences, repeat simple words, and one day you realize you understand more, speak more confidently, and feel more natural. Don't compare your speed with others. Everyone learns differently. What matters is not how fast you go, but how long you stay on the path. Even 10 minutes a day, done consistently for a year, beats 3 hours of study once a month. Momentum matters more than motivation. Also, be kind to yourself. Some days you'll forget words or make mistakes. That's part of the process, not proof of failure. Every mistake is a sign that you're practicing, and practice is progress. Build small systems to stay steady. Set weekly themes. Use short daily moments, and learn from your surroundings. Track your progress, celebrate small wins, and remember why you started. English is not a race. It's a journey, one that rewards patience, curiosity, and persistence. And most importantly, believe in yourself. You don't need to be perfect to communicate. You just need to keep showing up, one small moment at a time. If you stay patient and consistent, English will stop feeling like a challenge and start feeling like a part of you.